Beautiful new luxury horse property in Santan Valley. 205 West Red Fern has just under 4 acres. It has 2 different pastures. It has a riding arena. It has horse stalls. It has an irrigated lot. The home is a beautiful custom home, 6 bedroom, 4 full baths, and the bedrooms are enormous. They're a really nice size. Very modern, open concept floor plan. The kitchen has a waterfall edge island, very modern, modern kitchen, and you have a huge walk-in pantry. You have a 3-car garage with epoxy flooring. You have an electric charger in your garage. You have a beautiful brand new pool, only a year old, and they just added custom fencing to the exterior. This is one of the only modern horse properties that you can find that will also be fully gated soon. You're going to have a gated entry from both sides of this particular property. Don't miss this amazing opportunity. We know you're going to love this property.